Now na. Political ad paid for and by Renato Enix Salvador, number 211 Productor, San Miguel, San Simon, Pampanga.
And you know what?
Looking to boost your business?
It pays to advertise with RW 95.1 FM,
The multi-awarded Best Provincial FM station, proudly recognized by the KBP Golden Dove Awards.
with years of experience, a powerful on-air presence, and an ever-growing digital community.
RW connects your brand to thousands of loyal listeners every day.
From engaging radio broadcasts to dynamic social media campaigns,
RW 95.1 FM is your perfect partner in business growth and exposure.
ready to take your business to the next level?
Call RW 95.1 FM now.
0919-065-0061 or email rw951fm@yahoo.com. RW 95.1 FM.
Your partner in business success.
Lukarin ka pa, Kenny na ka.
Kenny na ka. 95.1 95.1 FM 95.1 RWFM.
Kenny na ka.
Ang mga kuro-kuro na inyong mapapakinggan ay tanging opinyon po lamang ng mga panauhing tagapagsalita at hindi sa pamunuan ng himpilang ito. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagsubaybay.
Saya, anong tuwa, pagtungaw mo sa bintana, pagdaan mo sa kalsada, malinis, walang basura.
Ang progreso at pagsulong ng kabuhayan ay hindi maiiwasan. Subalit, ito ay maaaring mangyari kaantabay ng pangangalaga ng kapaligiran. Paano? Makinig sa Bukas Bayan. Bagong umpisa para sa kapaligiran, alay sa bayan. Para sa mga kaalaman kung paano mapapanatili ang tamang balanse ng kaunlaran at kalikasan. Ang Bukas Bayan ay nahirang na finalist sa 15th KBP Golden Dove Awards for Best Science and Technology Program.
Samahan ng teacher ng bayan, Miss Cecil Yumul, at ang recycling prince ng bayan, Rox Peña.
Morning po sa ating lahat. It's another warm, bright Saturday morning. At nasa Abril pa rin ho tayo, Lenten season. Good morning, straight from Mariah JJ de la Cruz. Ang aga, unahan natin silang greet ngayon habang nag-scroll. Good morning, Rod Sampuego Santos, Maya Pakahorasan po, Darang Cecil, nakakapampanga na rugo. Ayan, we're live today here at RW. Nasa live streaming po tayo on our FB page sa RW at saka sa aking pong sariling page. Ayan. Kaya naman, kaninang umaga, marami sa atin ang nagulat. O sandali, we are on our 1,251st episode. Ganyan na po karami ang Bukas Bayan sa ating ika-26 na taon. Makanyan, po taring aliwata mong viewers, alala pang 26 anyos. So that means this program is that long ago. Ayan, marami. It has proven so many of what we have been discussing, bala mo continuing saga. Bala mo teleserye yan naman, ulit ang aliwang pinyabi, may kanta, mga paltutwa na ngayon Ayan. Kaya naman, good morning po. Our valedictorian, Elmer Villanueva, good morning. June TJ Agulto, blessed Saturday, and good morning po. From, ano ito? Remy Subdivision, Bundagol, Mabalacat. Ayan. Baloyo po, kareng mangutang o tala yung partner ko. Na ako man po inabandon but he has to go on official leave. Uli pong tatagal yung konsehal kayong Mabalacat City for his return term. Adya po, hanggang po kayong panahonan ng eleksyon, iya po malyaring mag-broadcast. Yung partner ko, uli napin po nitang rason, buri na yung sundong public service na tatagal niya pong another term kayong Mabalacat, Councilor Rox Peña. And good morning, Maya Payabak po. Uining, metong ka rin pinakamasipag ang pong very creative, very innovative. Good morning to you, Kapitan Lester Zamora Hernandez, Naning, Mining, am I right? Malaring ako lang memorize. Okay, Mining, Angeles City. Dakalaren, I'm so glad na King Angeles City, we're doing so much for the environment and all the barangay kapitan, especially, no, very commendable yapi ni kay Kapitan Lesser. There is also Kapitan Cors Alejandrino, and then there's Kapitana Corazon Nava. Uli mo na, ikwada ko nga memorize sa lagyo. Kanya naman po, good morning sa lahat. Marami. Dakala po rin may pakiroon din kasi King banda daw, dakala pa rin tanaman along the highway ka rin, ampong, ela pa makanyang karakaldeng high-rise building, medyo lagwerta pa yung hangin. O kabira-bira niyang lalapit na kay Kenny King pa San Fernando area. Sabi ko, Binoy, ako Kenning ka na akong piloto. Bukla mo na di taking hawa nga ako, bala mating masisilab ako. Ali po madama na, ala naman pong babawang silab makanya na. Una, yan ako. Nung masisila pa pala tiyan ako. Nung walang babawang asok, lungob na magkatang exhaust na ning sakyan. Sabi ko, that is smog. It cannot be fog because it is summer. So bigla mo, nang dadalang ko lang rin ka na ako sang katerbang collection na libro, panyaluan. Sabi ko, manalilitan topic, malyaring sabi-sabi ko mo. And then there is Joanna Joy Flores, who's also watching from Barangay Santo Rosario. And Kapitan, o bigla kaya akalingon lagi, Kapitan. Good morning po sa inyo lahat. Sundo kayo sa sabyang ko. Sabi ko, this can only be smog. And it comes from, sabi ko, lawenta mo, nung atsuya ken dane na ningen lex, posible po ta ating menyal bagpupot sigarilyo at asok yan. O na yung alipo, umorba na kayong wanan, payarap na kami, akaki ko na yung dalang papunta kayo ni Kimbataan. Aba, makanyang pamurin. It's hazy, it's cloudy, malabog. So, it is smog. O, ngayon para abaluta mo ito, kailangan mong tatapa ka rin favorite na mo. Potada ko po isundong gigri pa si Bayo. Ayan, let's go to one favorite.
Inus, usaping pangkalikasan.
Good morning, Renato.
Usaping di dapat ipagpaliban.
Hi, Alex.
Inus.
Ayan, good morning paring Alex of Mabalakad City. Ayan, magaling niya po yan. Kaya nga pamag-curate ka rin museum, ampong kalupa kaya mapangalap kalakuti. O ningin kaya, it's very historic. Ang pore kayang collection, Santo. Ay, paring Alex, you should open your house. Kailangan natin lang visita museo ng Senyor Alex de Castro. Oh. Okay, so ini po. I decided to change topic suddenly. Uli na po ning ikit ko kendalan. Ngayon papunta ko kene. Anya sabi ko, ay, bigla ke pong dela ingan akong libro. Okay, para abalo yun na, sasabihan ko, eko pemulo kengangin, but it has been written, it has been researched, and we are seeing the results of so many decades of pathetic indifference ampong alang pakyalam. Ngini dapat tanang pakyalam. So, what am I telling you today? The effects of pollution. Naman siguro buring malyari, in kalangitan tamo, makanya na itsura datang yung panahon. Okay? So, the title of our topic, our in-news, is The Effects of Pollution. Ayan. Ngeni, what causes pollution? Basa. Banta, balo yung eko mo po, manula. Okay? However, you look at the term, pollutants are undesirable. Undesirable, nino mikiburi kayong pollution, ala. For instance, after a forest fire, yan sukat yun na ngayon dyan, ikit yung mga palyari ka rin alawang bansa, anya mika maragula fire king Indonesia, mika big fire ka rin aliwaliwang lugar, affected. The most recent na atsuking memory, yung milyari niyan January, king LA County, king Los Angeles, king California. Ikit yun nung naning maging epekto, naning maragula sila. We're not even talking about forest fire here. We're just talking about something tragic that happened, pero itang effect na is so wide. Alright. Ayun The streams is tung mika forest fire, rain will carry more soil. Ikita mo yan, piyajan den bigla, ustong minuran, mag-run off in Gabon, uling metela rin tanaman, ala ng kalawat king Gabon, taglus-taglus, and it will even cause what we call landslide, mudslide, and rock slide, and everything. Ikit ko na nga pong personal yan. Keng pa mag-disaster rescue operations ko, anya pong earthquake, metong ya pa yan. Dakal na rin mga tambunan ngayon yung panahon na ini, isang ating malilyaring makanyan, uli na ning kapaboren tamo keng kekatang environment. Sundo tayo. Isto kanong minuran, the streams will fill up with fine matter in a process called siltation. Alright? And then, another example, volcanoes. Era ko po pa makarugan, pero itamo kaya di Pampanga, at right now, Canlaon is even erupting. Alright? Balo tamong balo nung naning senaryo is to make a volcanic eruption. Because after, would you believe that Mount Pinatubo in the Philippines is in my book? And basa. Makanya niya po, may mention niya pa yung Pilipinas. In another example, volcanoes pump greenhouse gases into the air. When Mount Pinatubo erupted in 1991, hanapin in the Philippines, a huge amount of sulfur dioxide was spewed into the air. The eruption of a different volcano some years earlier showed that sulfur dioxide was likely to cause worldwide cooling by a few degrees Celsius. So, metong mo po yan. O nano pa itang spew da rin miyayaliwata mo nga factories, spew da rin saken, etc., etc. It all contributes to a different kind of pollution. But which is just saying, gagawan tayong relevant in program, baka nita aga-grasping malilyari. Bigla yung lini pa kaya volcanic eruption, pollution ang bisa sabihin. Kasi po, contributing factors nga po yan nung bakit may papakanyan yung environment tamo. So, that is our e-news today. Good morning to Terry Santiago Mendoza. Gold Araw, good morning. May birthday ka pa, ne, Gold? Last week kita. Alvin Mariano, good morning. Ayan, Joe Gillas, good morning po. Ayan, keep on watching and let's go to our Alamba News.
Alamba News. Impormasyong kagilagilalas. Impormasyong may batayan. Impormasyong sinaliksik. Alamba News.
Baloy po, I was supposed to touch on different energy, flow of energy. Anti mo itamon tao, ne? We have different flow of energy. Ating positive energy, ating toxic energy. Ing malilyar kay katang environment. Reng aliwaliwan tao, ne? Ne kay very toxic. Bigay sila pa toxic na ilalwal kay balungos na. Balungos ako pa mo, ne? Yan kay mo sa ting mga pampangan, ne? Retang mano tamo, mga lutong la. Be careful hanapin what comes from your mouth. Sometimes words that come from your mouth can kill rather than sharp swords or sharp knives. Peka exclamation point ne po mo Joanna Joy Flores. Good morning. Kapitan. El Kapitan. Bago, good morning po sa inyo. I hope you like the burro. Comment na ko, mama, tabalo ko nung manyaman itang gagawin ko Sicilian vegetarian burro. Ayan. Let's see. Ni kayrugo po na kaya. Yung mag-scrolling ka na kung babasan. Marcos Karakutan, good morning po. Maya Payabak, watching from Pandan, Angeles City. A5 Boys. Ayan. Ita. Nekay po tutok lang yung mag-scroll niya. I would like to apologize po tang ekula akakit biglaretang mag-greet. Ayan. Okay. So, solar energy. Anyang panahon na ito, when I mentioned the beginning of the Manhattan Project, kaya dalay ta libro where it shows a picture, the early beginning, gigantic po itang Manhattan Project. But now, very familiar, very common na kay katamo, in solar, harnessing solar energy. Bandaging California, uling mayangin ka rin, dakalaretang windmill. Next time, kasi tamo, king asid bangged. In Ilocos, no, we have that, the windmills. So, familiar na po kay katama rin. But in the meantime, anya pong misulat yung libro ngayon ing sasabihan na po, this is the official Earth Day Guide to Planet Repair. So maluwad na nasasabihan, dapat sa gipantay niya to muna tang masilab. Ang tingin niya, pakiramdam niyo, wala masisilab kayo, mapali mo. Mga counseling klase, bakit? Mapali mo. And then you fall back, mag-aircon ka. Do you know that your aircon exhaust, ipapaluwal na rin heat islands la rin. Vertical. Itanlalwal kayong gulo na ng aircon, parim lang nakakilob, papali na pa mo rin ng environment. So, from one convenience doesn't necessarily become the solution. It adds up to the whole problem. You should do something like what SM is doing. SM is like a forest. It's like you have this virtual garden in the air. You have planters, you have vines hanging from the balconies no several floors siya. And then during our talks in the early years where they were planning the expansion, I was part of the panel on the environment, how they should take care of the environment, that they cannot just remove trees. All the trees that they could maintain, that they could retain, they should retain, because it will only add to the beauty of SM and not lessen it. Nyapin nakal pupunta kasi presko ya keng mata, uling mata naman. In the same way that Fort Stutzenberg, itanga man nun tang parade ground keng Caleb Clark, o ka rin lamag kumpul den tao. Kasi tsula ka rin deng mga tuwang tanaman, nyapang panahuna pa ning minuna lang linubring Amerikano, gewa deng Fort Stutzenberg, kay ba't may giyang Clark Air Force Base. It is because the flow of energy is sustained. Although the sun is flowing, so is shining so brightly, po maging problema uling masalilong karing tanaman. At kay ba nanita, uli pong masalilong nanong malilyari, mayangin. Masasalag itang pali na ningaldo, uling mayangin. So that's it. We have hope if we harness natural energy, which is the power of the sun. And while we're talking about the power of the sun, we should also talk about the power of the wind. Kanya naman, ano ang sabi ng asin? Ang sabi niya, hangin. Let's listen to our song of the week.
Oh hangin, pinayapa mo ang aking damdamin.
Good morning.
Oh hangin,
Dario Cunanan, shout out po. Prime Water Angeles Kano. 10 p.m. na bengi hanggang 5 a.m. nandining announcement. Hanggang bengi, ala pa rin. Okay. So, aba pong nanamnaman niya yung kakatamong Song of the Week. Check our time. It is 8:40 in the morning. Philippine Standard Time, babalik pa rin. Si Teacher Says, at in behalf of my partner Rox, who's running for, kanya po absent siya. Humahabol po kasing konsehal.
ito'y di mo masilayan. Ikaw ang dahilan ng pagsira ng mundo.
Sari-saring basura galing sa bahay, negosyo, pabrika, kainan, eskwelahan, palengke, terminal na sasakyan. Tao ang pinagmumula, may nabubulok mula sa tira-tirang pagkain, gulay, prutas at iba pa. Ating pakinabangan, gawing compost, di nabubulok, papel, bote, plastic, karton at iba pa. Magkapera sa basura, maayos na kabahayan, masinop na mamamayan, malinis na kapaligiran. Ito ang sagot sa Republic Act 9003.
Tayo ang lilinis sa gabing ito.
Anong saya, anong tuwa, pagtungaw mo sa bintana, pagdaan mo sa kalsada, malinis, walang basura, ang zero waste ating pag-asa.
Ikay noon po, tabalay, puro power. Ano ang klaseng power yung sabihan tayo ni? The power of the cucumber. Ang pipino. Bow. Kasi kita nga doon, diniscuss tane po yung pakwan, ang watermelon. lalawin ko lang po kasi reng manoras, nano ing lalako da, nano ing dakal. Kasi nung nano ing mura, nung nano ing dakal, ya po ing lalako da, reng maggule, ampong magprutas, at tikit ko katambak la po ren pipino, nuko, o ren po reng solusyon. And then I also noticed, kailangan po mapagmasid kayo. You know what else I noticed? Ingas lang ngini, kareng kaya katamong vendis, deng tutulak gariton, ren karelang tiltilan, mig-level up la, which is very good. Mig-level up la in the sense that, aba, ingas lang geni at tineng samot, tidtad, cucumber, which is good. Masanting, uli pong yung pipino, very healthy. Bow. Sasabihan ko ita, ali, baka dito po maniwala kayo, o ini po, in kanako libro, The Science of Natural Healing by Carlos Cozel. Sundo tayo. The cucumber. If the cucumber occasionally causes indigestion and vomiting, o makanano naman kasi, at saka rin mag-prepare, makanano may pin-repair. Okay? The cucumber or ang pepino should be eaten in its natural state after washing. So this is the first consideration. Kung nano-nano mong gagawan as much as possible, kanan me as it is. Okay? O ini. It is precisely the addition, nekay, that makes it indigestible. So, nung gamitan niya, yung gagawin na pangini, gagawin din shake, am I right? I-blend kasi makunya niya po bala yan so, nekay, ako, balo ko ito, itong gewakeng salada, inabe kekeng onions, aslam, paminta, bawang, kukunya ya. Milalako itang crispy texture niya. Ngini, nung ngayon mong napakalangutan kanina, kaya itang pangakunyat na, o karing ka madisgrasya, mapalyaring, inakmol me, eya pa usto panga kinis, eya usto panga lati-lati, linom na iking atyan mo, natural mo, paluwal me, eya mo naman todo kapino, eya blended, karimbito ka mo. Let's continue. Uy, pa yung metong nasasabihan, salt kano is not necessary when eating raw vegetables. Pero ako potang kahit din ako, a pinch of salt. Mo sasosobra. Everything in moderation. Those who wish to eat cucumber as a salad should cut the vegetable, chopped onions, parsley, dill, and other ingredients. To mix the ingredients first and get the high taste, pinakatauliya pong i-add in cucumber. You only add it when it is to be eaten already. Makanya niya po kaya katamong procedure po ang gagawa kayong cucumber salad. Po tambing aabe totoo siya sang kapanya. You set it aside at daragdagya mo, potang kanan yun gawan yan topping. Potang mikabit nitang vegetables, a mixture of vegetables on your plate, that's the only time you add your cucumber. Yan. Nano pa? Okay. Cucumbers can be taken with meal as though it were a slice of bread. Thus, it is tasty, fortifying, and helpful. So, kayo po ang makirandam, let us do it that way to retain the crispiness and the freshness of the pepino. Ini pa, tila pang minensyon kayo baluyo po rin labanos, radish, metong niya pa yan. The radish is quite like radish, the cucumber is rich in vitamins and is a first-class product for internal cleansing, against skin diseases. No wonder that when it is used as a beautifying agent. Ako po, sabi ko na kaya kayo, dito pong sepo-sepo na rin pipina. Ang po itong pibalatan. Kay ating kampiler, nung malapad niya, inggawan ko po yung panguskus ko kayong kanakong balat. Mangutang la po, o talakang wrinkle, Sarah, 66 na ka. Kasi ako mag-makeup ako, lipstick is enough. So, inggawan ko po, nakachukubale, ratang pipututan ko, pipamusitan ng kondalayap, ila pong kakaskas ko, kempisngi ko. O yan po, imbalat ko. Alang, kung magpolbo nun baka niyan po, fresh from the bath. Alright, so, magritan ditak, pota na marago. Krista Relos, good morning, Bukas Bayan. And then, Benji Dungka, good morning. Just Nicolas, good morning to you. O, sundo tayo. Oy, sir, Mr. Principal, Mariolito Magcalas from Capas. Blessed morning, ate. O, sundo tayo. Ang pipino, rengang gambisa, santing balat, even at 66, alang kupas. Ayan. Cucumber is placed in the water with which to wash one's face. O, alawen muna, kasabi-sabi ko pa. Potablay, sabi ng misyungol, ali, ay ne, sunduke, sabi na ning libro. May be placed in the water with which to wash one's face and hands or to bath in. O, ito pala po, ang mantilo kayo. Mag-slice kong pipino, ibabad nyo. O, ibabad nyo kayong timba. Nung wala kayong bathtub. Cucumber juice may be poured into the wash or bath water, as it is a means to stimulate proper functioning of the skin and to free it from the dangers brought about by the use of chemicals. So, yung gawan yung facial wash, ako sasaling miki chemicals. Wawash yung pinpuitang makeup So, gumamit kayong natural, gumamit kayong pipino, mura pa. And it is fresh every time. Ayan. Improper functioning of the skin in time brings it with other ailments such as skin eruption, pimples, boils, and many internal diseases. So, a treatment with cucumber is effective. Eating only raw cucumber for some time without any salt or vinegar. Every hour from 1 to 5 tablespoons full of the juice should be taken. O yan. Uling matwaning libro, pati ring illustration matwana la naman. Which is saying, tested and proven niya po yung librong tatalnan ko. Alright? So, in summary, the cucumber is a beautifying agent. It combats diseases, it cleanses, and cures the stomach. It cures the kidney, and it cures the throat. O yan po, in summary. Ayan. Kanya naman po, greetings tayo sandali. Mirna Taya Gozum, good morning po. I greeted Benji already, no? Masanting niya po in topic you. Yes po, I try to observe and make it relevant nung nanoy nga tinkeng kay katang paligid, nung nanoy nga kakita mo that, tamo papansin na po takay matang ka, makanya na. O ngeni po, ngeni dindam yun, no? Abaluta na, yung gawan tamo. And sabi ko, I am a living proof of what I say. Kung mag-makeup, lipstick mo, sabi ng mako. And then, check the time, Philippine Standard Time, 8:50, babalik pa rin si Teacher Says at Bukas Bayan. Sari-saring basura galing sa bahay, negosyo, pabrika, kainan, eskwelahan, palengke, terminal na sasakyan, tao ang pinagmumula, may nabubulok mula sa tira-tirang pagkain, gulay, prutas at iba pa. Ating pakinabangan, gawing compost, di nabubulok, papel, bote, plastic, karton at iba pa. Pagkapera sa basura, maayos na kabahayan, masinop na mamamayan, malinis na kapaligiran. Ito ang sagot sa Republic Act 9003. Tayo ang lilinis sa luming ito.
Anong saya, anong tuwa, pagtungaw mo sa bintana, pagdaan mo sa kalsada, malinis, walang basura, ang zero waste ating pag-asa.
Ayan, all the way from Ilocos. Apo, saan kasi tayo? Sa Ilocos Sur, si Among Sunny Pahed. Good morning. God bless you too, Apo. And then, ayan, si Jazz. Good morning. Sana may kita mo one time na, Jazz. Okay. And then, I would like to thank Carmina Ging Gomez. Bala mo, extended family ko la po riging, no? To the Gomezes. Salamat to the support tamo kaning kay katamo Aita communities, and sasabihan da patutuanan da the products of the Aitas are delicious and of good quality kasi po organic la, alalapin pong pesticide. So when you can buy from our pakakaila mo, pakayigo, magkaila, magtumpok-tumpok la every week, and they sell in karelang root crops coming from there. Mom says, magbili kang slice cucumber kay pampalako no man na kay pampalako lang eye bags Kenny, magpiyak ka kabi mula rin sliced pepino, ma-refresh la rin kay kang Hagard over sauce ang eyes. Bala mo mga kabika makanya, Rogie. It works. You put fresh cucumber slices in the same way it works on the face. Ayan. Rogie is also a former student and kaine veterano niya naman journalist. He writes. Okay? And then thank you, Mirna. And then I would like to thank the manager, si Mr. Alexander Yamat of Park Warison, and the rest of the staff there. Kenyamanan ko, pepakananda kita lalam to have a taste of the food that is available there. Atin palang Mongolian mo rin na the hues. But I have partiality, uling bayo ko pa datang-ketangal daw. Sabi, bisa akong pansit. So, I tasted the pansit, Mickey Bihon? Pansit Bihon with Mickey? Basta manyaman po yung pansit kanin, manyaman lareng lumpia. Go to Park Warison at the lobby, ketang entrance, ketang main floor. At yung pumpipangan ng karin, mga kayo ko rin ng kanyaman. Alright? So, thank you, Mr. Alex Yamat, and I appreciate the very efficient attendance to our inquiries, and we look forward to experiencing Warison. On April 22 will be for the first time, Holy Family High School is going out of the usual ketang new site. Gawan da po king SMX Convention Center. I think it has to do with the heat, the extreme heat that we're experiencing now. So for the first time, they're doing it at SMX Convention Center. And in connection with that, my classmate and best friend Gina Gakusan is this year's Lone Faamas awardee. I got mine 25 years ago. Katuan. And Gina, who is a retired NEDA regional director, and is receiving hers for so many things she did. Kasi po yung Holy Family, they're trying to look for what you don't do necessarily connected with the academe, but what you do outside of your trained profession. So, congratulations to this year's Faamas awardee, Gina Tablante Gakusan. And tomorrow, kabilis po 40 days na po yung Mang Nene Patrocinio Sanchez Nayan, 40 days na. We'll see you there. At oras na naman po. Alam ho ninyo, sarami na nangyayari ngayon. Very immediate an effect. We look at our environment, we look at our waterways, we look at the dried up river, we look at the falling birds. Ray Navales, thank you pala for informing me that the birds are falling to the ground. And I said, it is also from too much heat and lack of water. So if you still have trees around your garden, you put out little containers of water for the birds to take a bath in, to dip their head, and to refresh themselves. Ay, oras na po. At ako naman po ang inyong lingkod, Cecilio Mulang, teacher ng bayan, na nagsasabing lahat ng bagay ay may dahilan. Lahat ng bagay ay konektado. Sabi nga, dun sa Man Belongs to Earth, everything is connected. Man belongs to the earth. We can never own the earth. We can only be part of this earth. And when we look at ourselves as part of the earth, we take care of it every day. The universe and Mother Nature is showing us so many signs to make us think, to make us reflect, not only this Lenten season, but throughout the days of our lives, that if we want to live a better generation to our children, we have to learn to bow to the earth and plant trees and make sure they live not for us, but for the generation that comes after us, so that we can still feel the wind blowing on our faces, natural, no amount of money can buy. Everything natural. Pag yan pong ginawa natin, sigurado po magkakaroon tayo ng bagong umpisa para sa kapaligiran, alay sa bayan. Good morning, everyone.
Buhay ng karamihay sa kanya gumagaya. Titiyak kung saan pupunta. Bawat galaw, hangin ang nagdadala. O hangin, binayabang mo ang aking himig, inyong maririnig sa hangin na nasa paligid. Kasabay sa ibong nagliliparan at kaluskos ng dahon sa palayan. Buhay ko'y katulad niya, kung saan saan napupunta. Dahil sa himig na aking dala at sa hawak kong gitara.
Inyong napakinggan ang Bukas Bayan sa pakikipagtulungan ng mga tao at organisasyong may malasakit sa kalikasan. Ang Bukas Bayan ay mapapakinggan dito lamang sa 95.1 RW, alas 8:30 hanggang alas 9 ng umaga.
Ang mga kuro-kuro na inyong napakinggan ay tanging opinyon po lamang ng mga panauhing tagapagsalita at hindi sa pamunuan ng himpilang ito. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagsubaybay.